Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We are from team 3 want to explain this material about reduced clauses and inversion. A. Reduced adjective clauses. What is reduced adjective clauses? Reduced adjective clauses is some adjective clauses can be shortened to adjective phrase if the relative pronoun like who, which, and that is the subject of the clause.
The reduction is done by removing the relative pronoun and the verb be or by changing the verb to its ing or ad form, depending on whether the clause is active or passive. Example 1. Active sentence clause. The girl who is singing has a very good voice. Reduce. The girl singing has a very good voice. 2. Passive sentence clause. The advertisement which was printed locally depicted the beauty. Reduce. The advertisement printed locally depicted the beauty.
Adjective clause with was, are, those where the relative pronoun is not the subject cannot be reduced without changing the meaning. Example, the man whose wife is singing tries to enjoy the music. The man singing tries to enjoy the music changes the meaning entirely. Adjective clause beginning with a clause marker that acts as adverb act when where also cannot be reduced. Correct. The time when the boss arrived was frightening. Incorrect. The time arriving was frightening.
Reduced adverb clauses. What is reduced adverb clauses? Reduced adverb clauses is an adverb clause is a dependent clause with a subject and verb that function like an adverb. Adverb clauses can be reduced to clauses only if the subject of the adverb clause and the main clause are the same. How to reduce? For time clauses, after, before, once, since, until, when, while. After he locked the gate, the boy went home. Reduce. After locking the gate, the boy went home. For reason clauses, because he had been always late, Diana called by the principal. Reduce. Having always been late, Diana was called by the principal.
For communication clause, although there's been in spite of. Although she was betrayed, Linda managed to smile. Reduce. Although Bertin, Linda managed to smile. The verb in the reduce and verb clause be in the ing from active or from passive depending on the voice. Inversion, infinitive, subject and verb. What is inversion? Inversion is when the subject and verb switch place, often as in question or for emphasis. In question, the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. From you are tired to are you tired. From Daniel will come over tonight to will Daniel come over tonight.
Inversion occurs. A. After certain expression of flesh. For example, like there are the books I look for. B. After negative or limiting verbs or expression like never, really, hardly, and seldom. For example, like 1. Never have I met such a nice girl like you. 2. Hardly does he get a good score during the pandemic. See, in coordination sentence with you if. For example, like, had I been there early, I would not have missed him. Andy, after compression, formal. For example, like, my mother works harder than does everybody.
Not all sentences with question words use inversion, especially when the question word connects two clauses. Example, I don't know what your favorite color is, and that's not inversion. Summary about this material. This material teaches how to make sentences more concise and formal by reducing clauses and using inversion. Reduce clause helps shorten adjective and adverb clauses, while inversion changes word order for questions, emphasis, or formal style. Thank you for your attention. We hope this video can help you better to understand this material about reduced clauses and inversions. Have a good day, and don't forget to comment and like.